AI job roles in generative AI. AI engineer. They are masterminds behind building and training AI models. The data scientist. They're the detectives of the AI world, analyzing vast amounts of data to uncover insights and improve AI models. Without them, AI wouldn't be as smart or accurate. Machine learning engineer. These professionals develop AI-powered applications. From recommendation systems to voice assistants, they bring AI to life. AI consultant. They guide businesses on how to leverage AI. They help to stay competitive and innovative. AI content creator. This role is perfect for creative minds who use AI tools to generate content, whether it's writing articles, creating stunning visuals, or producing videos like this one. The world of generative AI is full of possibilities. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a creative thinker, or a problem solver, there's a place for you in this exciting field. The future is waiting. Explore AI career opportunities today. Follow us for more insights into the world of AI.